Hi, I'm John with IOV Networks. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to crimp an Ethernet cable. Here's everything you're going to need. You're going to need your Ethernet cable, a pair of Ethernet modular adapter crimpers. These do have wire strippers on them. This particular model does, and they usually come with them, but I also recommend a separate pair of wire strippers. And a modular adapter, 4 pair, 8 lines. And I'm also going to use an Ethernet tester. It's not entirely necessary, but it's nice to check our work. We can always just plug the cable in and see if it works, but this is a little bit more thorough way to do it. All right. So once again, we're going to cut off the jacket and just give it a little tension around the circumference. Grab it and pull it off. I like to kind of look and verify that I didn't penetrate any of the wires. Looks like we're okay. Pull these wires back. And I'm going to cut out this support. Okay. Now we're going to unwind these again. Use this method just so vary it up a little bit. Okay, that looks good. So I want to kind of just pull these and straighten them out a little bit to get some of the twist out of them, just so they're straighter and easier to work with. All right, now let's do the color order. So we're doing T568B, so it's white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Okay. That looks good to me. So I'm going to hold it at the base there, and we're going to clip off these wires. There we go. And now we're going to feed them in and make sure the colors stay straight. Here we go. I'm going to take a look. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. That looks better. Push the jacket in a little bit. Now also, you can get boots as well that you would have fed onto the wire before you put this on, that will help protect these clips from getting pulled off when you pull the wire back through furniture and stuff, but I'm not worried about that today. So let's go ahead and make our crimp. Okay. I'm gonna look at the colors one more time. They look pretty good. I'm just gonna give that a little back pressure just so the clip works. And let's put one end in here. It doesn't matter which end goes where. And one in here. We're going to try this test again. Here we go. Now, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then all the numbers match below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one will blink if they're out of order or anything like that. So we have a good Ethernet cable. That's all there is to it. This has been How to Crimp an Ethernet Cable. I'm John with IOV Networks. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.